Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. It's me, Vinod, here recording with Anand remotely as always. Seems like it nowadays. Most days during the month we are out traveling. Hopefully, we'll be back in Chennai in another day or two and we'll have some normalcy in terms of at least recording and better video and audio quality. So, that said, today being Sunday evening and before the start of a new week, usually we talk about something macroeconomic or we talk about something that's happening globally, geopolitically, give you a lay of the land. So today we thought instead of talking about AI and all that, we will talk about some corporate news for a change. And Anand's got a nice one, which we thought we can sit and take apart and understand further. So without wasting any further time, let Anand take this further.
See, Metsera is a startup company which has just listed. They are working on a new class of drugs for weight loss. And weight loss is the holy grail for the pharma industry right now. Already two companies have this product. One is Novo Nordisk and another is Eli Lilly. Novo Nordisk has Wegovy, which is semaglutide, and Eli Lilly has Mounjaro. Now, of the two, Wegovy is the older product, Mounjaro is the later one. And this is a global product. And Novo Nordisk has been milking this for years. To such an extent, they had to suspend some of their popular products so that they could milk this. They didn't have, this is going beyond capacity.
Okay.
And Lilly has now, Mounjaro has shown better results than Wegovy, and so Mounjaro has taken the lead. This is the status. This has become so widely popular that Trump, in his best mind, has decided to get involved. So yesterday or that is on Thursday, he announced a deal to say that this is a
Price
regulated drug, and the companies have agreed to drop the price to between $250 to $300. Novo Nordisk has already overemployed people. It has let go of more than 6,000 people.
In the frenzy of all this weight loss, money, cash coming in, they employed,
They employed too much and they have already cut back.
Okay.
Now, the biggest market for them is India.
Yes.
And they have just entered India about 6 months back.
Yeah.
And now, Eli Lilly also has entered India. Now, 2 to 3 Indian companies are already ready with generics.
Ready to launch.
Yeah, 2026 patent expires and the goes up, which goes up, the generic goes up. And already there is a fight between Dr. Reddy and Natco on who is first to file.
Yeah.
Now courts have got involved.
Yes.
That means the Supreme Court will allow these drugs to come out in India. Now, so these guys are all looking for a new set of drugs.
New chemical.
Yeah. Now what has happened is, lot of major Indian world players are locked out of the race.
Correct.
Right. They cannot copy generics.
Yes.
What they do is they do spend money on R&D, make blockbuster drugs, milk it for a certain period of time, and then the generics come.
So that takes time.
Yeah, that takes time. So a lot of big companies are locked out of this
Because they did not do the R&D.
and they didn't get in.
Okay.
Now it's luck. It's pure chance which molecule works.
So this is why there's a lot of espionage between these companies.
There is espionage. And also the price moves up and down. The earnings are lumpy because of this.
Okay.
So the prices are, suddenly it goes up and suddenly it drops. One such company is Pfizer.
Yes.
Now Pfizer, what has happened is, after their big success of COVID vaccine, mRNA vaccine, they have gone down. Okay, their price also has taken a beating.
Correct.
Their earnings have taken a beating. Now, there is a company called Metsera,
Yes.
which I talked about.
Yeah.
The Metsera founders are serial startup guys. They have already struck gold once. This is the second time they are striking gold. Okay.
So they have proven track record.
They have a proven track record. Now, this Metsera has a wonder drug on this weight loss thing. So these two companies, Novo Nordisk, because Novo Nordisk has been trying to catch up with Eli Lilly, and Pfizer have been bidding for Metsera.
Fighting over Metsera.
Fighting over Metsera. Late Friday evening, the news has come that Pfizer has won the battle on Metsera.
Zero. Okay.
Now, totally, they have agreed to pay 85 point odd dollars, of which $65.5 will be paid upfront
Okay.
in cash,
Okay. So the current market price is being paid upfront cash.
for 3 to 4% above the market price.
Okay.
And $20.5 will be paid if certain milestones have been hit,
Okay.
which looks like they will be able to hit. So the company is being valued at $10 billion.
So Pfizer is buying itself a little time to finance this.
Yes, it's a $10 billion buyout. I do not know the balance sheet of Pfizer, so I don't know whether they have $10 billion in cash or whether they have to raise $10 billion. But Pfizer, of a company of its size, 10 billion is not nothing much.
Correct.
So they will raise 10 billion to buy Metsera and take, once Metsera is ready, take it to the market
Okay. And also enter the weight loss.
and enter the weight loss game. But for all you know, Metsera's drug may not work and Pfizer may lose 10 billion. This is the game of pharma where you make lump deals 1 second.
So Pfizer is also entered.
Pfizer is also going to get into weight loss. So instead of a 2-horse race, it's a 3-horse race. What will happen is Wegovy will go off patent and Eli Lilly will also lose patent in no time. So this will become the
Third.
drug.
Unless
Yeah.
Eli Lilly and Novo
But you
Nordisk
have
make
to
a new
understand,
chemical.
but you have to understand this is a really big thing. Now the obesity capital of the world are India and China.
Correct.
India leading the pack in terms of diabetes because we are rice eaters. So we are in India is the prime market for this, but both Eli Lilly and Mounjaro have priced themselves out. Now having entered, we have certain elite people are using it. Still the common man is not using it. The real explosion of this drug will come when the common man uses it. So it's a new field. See, there was diabetes, there was cardiovascular and diabetes was one, neuro, cancer were 3 major things. Now what will happen is, this will become a major branch, which can really help the world reduce cardiovascular.
So
We don't know whether Pfizer will succeed, but Metsera's founders have succeeded before.
okay. So this is the lay of the land as far as weight loss is concerned. But keep this in mind. When you see this as value investors, it is really interesting to understand this, because what has definite impact will have also, of course, on is FMCG companies which are making snacks. Their cola companies will have a major impact, because these drugs will definitely change our eating habits and drinking habits, which you have seen in the alcohol industry already, how there's a fundamental shift in the way we humans are looking at alcohol. So that may happen, and the same way how these engineers in pharmaceuticals are working on trying to reduce our weight, there could be another set of engineers who are employed with geniuses in these food companies who will be finding ways to neutralize this. So this is how the ebb and flow of industry happens, and it's a really insightful conversation, which I'd like to thank Anand for joining us today. Thanks for being with us on Be Rich. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead of investing, and me and Anand will be back in Chennai in the studio, and we'll try and keep you abreast with what's happening in the world. Thank you for being with Be Rich today.
Thank you for supporting Be Rich.